Hello, I'm Keith with Seafood Analytics, and today we're going to talk about using the CQR. But first, remove the unit from the box and screw in the food-grade stainless electrodes that are also located in the box. To turn the unit on, simply press the on button on the CQR. The on button is located right here. At this point, the screen will display a record count as well as what groups and types had been selected for the last measurement. To change or select the group and type label that will be linked to the measurements from the list on the CQR, press the on button again. Then using the up and down arrows, scroll and select your group and type to be measured. Use the on button as the enter button to select and lock in group and type names. Group is usually something like the vendor or boat name, and type is usually the seafood product name or species. These lists are customizable by you. And once the group and type are entered, the reader will display ready to measure. Place the fish to be measured on a non-conductive surface, such as a polytop table or styrofoam box lid, or even hold it. And then place the electrodes on the thickest part of the fish. As you can see in these photos here, this would be on the midline on here and on the side of the fish underneath the dorsal fin here. Depress the electrodes up to 50%. See the red versus blue. The red is depressed. And these can be used on whole fish, skin side, or flesh side of fillets. But comparisons can only be made between measures that are on whole, skin side, or flesh, not combinations of them. So you should think about that prior to taking measurements. Once in contact with the product, your screen will show whatever fields such as quality, fat index, etc. that you choose when making your group and type lists. These are located right here where you can see the QI and the FI. Press the on button, as we've used before, to record the measurement, or wait 3 seconds and the measurement will record automatically for one-handed use. These asterisks will indicate that you are auto-recording. So all that you have to do is do not push the on button and it will auto-record. Once completed, the saved record number will be shown in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. And when you're taking measurements, make sure that the red and black plugs are inserted into the connection ports on the bottom of the CQR prior to using. This will help keep water out. And always remember, we are just a click or phone call away if you need any assistance. Thank you so much.